Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for your overall health, your kidneys. Did you know that the foods and spices you consume can have a profound effect on your kidney health? In fact, certain spices have been shown to support kidney function, reduce inflammation, and even prevent kidney damage. So stay tuned as we reveal the top 10 spices that can help save your kidneys. Let us take a moment to discuss why spices are so important for kidney health before moving on to our list of the top 10. Your kidneys are in charge of controlling blood pressure, balancing fluids, and filtering waste from your blood. On the other hand, diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and inflammation can harm them. This is when using spices becomes relevant. Numerous spices include high levels of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances, which can help and safeguard your kidneys. First, let us go over our list. Turmeric comes in at number 10. Because of its primary ingredient curcumin, this bright yellow spice is well known for having strong anti-inflammatory qualities. Turmeric can help lessen inflammation, which is a common problem in kidney disease, and may help delay the development of kidney damage. Turmeric may be used to smoothies, dinners, and even made into a calming tea. Next up is ginger. Known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, a key factor in kidney disease. Studies have shown that ginger can improve kidney function and reduce the risk of developing kidney damage. Try adding fresh ginger to your teas, stir-fries, or even salads for a zesty kick. We rank cinnamon as the 8th spice. This tasty spice helps control blood sugar levels, in addition to giving your food a toasty, sweet taste. Controlling blood sugar is essential because it poses a significant risk for renal disease. Strong antioxidants found in cinnamon also aid in lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, further safeguarding your kidneys. Add it to your coffee, yogurt, or cereal as a sprinkle. One of the best things for renal health is garlic. Allicin, a substance with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and blood pressure-lowering properties, is included in this strong spice. Garlic helps lessen blood pressure and inflammation, which can help avoid renal damage. It also gives any food an amazing flavor boost. If you want a more concentrated dose, try taking supplements made of garlic or using fresh garlic in your cooking. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's a potent spice for your kidneys. Parsley acts as a natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out toxins and excess fluids. It's also rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support kidney function. Add fresh parsley to your salads, soups, or smoothies to give your kidneys a gentle cleanse. A word of caution. Before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Another wonderful spice for your kidneys is coriander, sometimes referred to as cilantro. By binding to heavy metals and other toxins and facilitating their removal from the body, it supports kidney detoxification. Furthermore, coriander is recognized for its ability to reduce blood pressure, which further safeguards your kidneys. Add freshly chopped coriander to your food or steep coriander seeds in your tea. Fennel seeds are a lesser-known spice that's excellent for kidney health. Fennel has diuretic properties that help increase urine flow, aiding in the removal of toxins from the kidneys. It also helps reduce inflammation and improves digestion. You can chew fennel seeds after meals or brew them into a soothing tea for a kidney-friendly treat. Cardamom, with its unique flavor and aroma, is another spice that's great for your kidneys. It's known to have diuretic properties that help your kidneys flush out waste. Additionally, cardamom helps reduce blood pressure and fights inflammation, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Use cardamom in your cooking or make a fragrant cardamom tea. There is an excellent reason why basil is considered sacred in many civilizations. Its abundance of antioxidants aids in preventing oxidative damage to your kidneys. Additionally, basil contains diuretic qualities that help to purify and enhance the function of your kidneys. Fresh basil can be added to food, used to make a tea, or blended into a pesto for a kidney-friendly dinner. And finally, at number 1, we have black pepper. This common kitchen spice is a powerful protector of your kidneys. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. It also enhances the bioavailability of other beneficial compounds in your diet, making them more effective. So, don't be shy. Add a dash of black pepper to your meals to give your kidneys the support they need. So there you have it, the top 10 spices that can save your kidneys. By incorporating these spices into your daily meals, you can help protect your kidneys from damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall kidney function. Remember, it's not just about adding these spices, but also maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying hydrated, and managing your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these kidney-saving tips. Have you tried any of these spices? Let us know in the comments below how you use them in your cooking. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of those kidneys. Disclaimer. This publication serves purely as an informational resource and should not be construed as a substitute for professional medical advice. For health-related concerns, it is strongly recommended that individuals seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. While every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information provided, the publisher bears no responsibility for errors or omissions.